So let's just start from the beginning.
Well, my name is Tariq, Tamir, and I am from Chicago, Illinois. I was born and raised, and I like making stuff.
What was your first exposure to art?
Oh, that's a great question. My mom gave me like a bag of pipe cleaners, like a huge grocery bag of pipe cleaners, and it just something clicked in my brain. But even before that, my dad was really creative too. He created like Star Wars toys out of like ordinary things, because Star Wars was our thing. It was how we bought it. So there was this Glade air freshener that he turned into some like speedster, and it blew my mind. It really did change me.
Tariq and I met at Riverside Art Center, where I'm the gallery director and he's the lead instructor there. And we hit it off right away. I find him fascinating, and his sense of art making really, really unique. He has this great sense of being able to take items and assemble them according to the environment around them. And so I thought that would be a great fit for working on the farm.
The natural and the supernatural seem to be a part of your body of work.
Yeah, the two are indistinguishable for me sometimes. Obviously I love dragons. They're fierce and they have wings and they blow fire. But it all stems from the fantasy world that I wanted to live in. Growing up, when you're a kid, life on Earth is pretty boring. It was for me. I wanted what I saw on the movies, the TV. I wanted the magic. So I created, my own version. I still do to this day.
Do you have are there stories behind it, or do you have your own mythology built into some of this? Or?
I do. I very much do. They all come from, I guess, mostly something that I wasn't able to deal with at the time. So I would manifest that through an action figure and imbue it with the gifts that I needed or wanted, or at least I thought I wanted. And have those play out in the world that I created for them. I want to escape. I wanted to escape. I still do that. It's been healthy for me. Sometimes I can, I guess, go in that world too long. I can get lost there, but it's helped me deal with, a fair amount of traumas. We all have our traumas, so. I have my fair share, so that helped me cope, and it still helps me cope.
So what's kind of the earliest thing you can remember making?
I know, a pipe cleaner cat. A pipe cleaner cat, like a pipe cleaner stick cat. As you would imagine a stick figure cat will look drawn. I made a pipe cleaner version of it. And then I made like a few more, and there was this thing where these cats was just roaming my Toyland. It was actually pretty magical. I guess the things that we take for granted, as we get older, we're just like, that was when I was a kid. But when you're a kid, weren't you like the happiest?
I explained to him all about the elements of the farm, and he was fascinated by it. And so we agreed that it would be wonderful for him to do a piece on the farm. His piece that he made was perfect because he took into consideration the colors of the farm, that it's green, and that there is this wind that blows, and that there's all different types of vegetation. I told him that his space that he could exhibit in would be beyond the windbreak where the field and the meadow are. And so he liked that idea, and so he created this sculpture that was an homage to women, and he uses all found objects. So he basically is like looking in his studio trying to figure out what he can put together that would make sense. And I visited his studio shortly before he installed, and he had almost completed the figure that he had done. He was still putting pieces on. And so when he did the final installation on the farm, it was perfect.